Hello and welcome to my video. Git is one of the commonly used version control systems. In this video, I'll talk about the steps to make Git identify and communicate with your server. The process is explained with GitHub, but the concept should be similar with other Git-based servers. So let's get started. For this session, I assume that Git is already installed in your system. If it's not already installed, please install it from the gitscm.com. So once you install, our first step will be to generate a key, which is the SSH key through which you will be talking to the GitHub server or any Git-based server. To generate that key, open a terminal and type this command. Right, so I'm going to generate a key for myself. So by default, it will be stored in your user's home directory. And if you want, you can use a passphrase. All right, so this has created a key for me. So I'll go to this location. And as you can see here, this is the key. Now, take the public key and whatever it throws at you, just copy the content. Go to your GitHub, settings, go to SSH key, new SSH key, and then here you paste it. You can give any name like my Mac Air, for example, and I add this SSH key here. So I have this set up now. So let's see the process of cloning one repository. I already have one SSH key recognized by GitHub. I will be able to clone any of my repo. So I go here, I go to repo, I just pick up any of the random repo, I click on code and SSH URL. Now go back to your terminal and then go to the desired directory where you want to clone your repo, and then give the command git clone and the URL of the repository that you want to clone, that you copied from GitHub. Now, the first time you try to connect through SSH from your terminal to your GitHub server, it will ask you to continue connecting. Give yes. This is a confirmation to connect to the server. And as you can see, it has actually got all the objects and it has cloned the repo. So if you just say, this is what I got it. If you compare these folders that I got here, they're the same as what I have here on the GitHub repo. Now, if you go to some other other folder and try to run the same command again, git clone command, it will not ask you to connect to the server again because you already confirmed, and it automatically clones the repo.